Ukraine's boldest move yet. Ukraine's F-16s have just entered a new phase of combat. Initially used primarily for defense, intercepting Russian drones and missiles, these US-made jets are now striking back. A frontline F-16 pilot has unveiled details of these high-stakes missions, sending a clear message: Russia should be worried. Ukraine's air game levels up. While specifics remain classified, one thing is clear: Ukraine's air capabilities have reached a new level. On March 27, the Kyiv Post published what it calls the first official interview with a Ukrainian F-16 pilot. Wearing a mask to obscure his identity, the pilot described how these jets are being used for daily precision strikes and joint operations with fellow aviators. Though details are scarce, Ukraine is deliberately keeping its tactics under wraps to prevent Russia from adapting. However, the pilot's insights confirm that the F-16s are now actively shaping the battlefield. Ukraine's intelligence edge, Ukraine's greatest weapon, may not just be its F-16s but the intelligence guiding them. "We know our targets in advance, our intelligence is working quite well," the pilot states. This contradicts media claims of intelligence gaps, especially after the brief suspension of U.S. intelligence sharing in early March under President Donald Trump. That disruption was short-lived, and Ukraine's information flow is now fully restored. "Our intelligence adapts very quickly," the pilot emphasizes. With real-time targeting data, Ukraine's F-16s are executing precision strikes with remarkable accuracy. "Almost every missile hits its target," he adds. "More than 80% of our launches successfully take down Russian threats, including Shahed drones and cruise missiles." The Russian drone threat. Among Ukraine's primary targets are Shahed drones, low-cost, high-damage weapons manufactured in Iran. In February 2025, the Kyiv Independent reported that Russia had upgraded these drones to carry nearly double their previous payload, increasing their destructive power but shortening their range. To counter this, Ukraine's F-16s are intercepting drones before they can reach key locations. This strategy is proving effective in neutralizing one of Russia's most persistent aerial threats. F-16s in combined sorties. Beyond drone defense, Ukraine's F-16s are executing ground attack missions. Previously, Ukraine relied on aging Soviet-era jets like the MiG-29, Su-24, Su-25, and Su-27, aircraft that, while still dangerous, are well understood by Russian forces. The F-16 changes everything. More maneuverable, harder to detect on radar, and boasting a longer operational range, it outclasses older jets. A Polish pilot who has flown both the MiG-29 and F-16 described the MiG-29 as a relic. "I wouldn't want to fly that jet in real combat." Why the F-16 matters. The F-16's superior avionics, radar systems, and tracking capabilities provide Ukraine with a much-needed technological edge. It enhances air-to-air combat capabilities and drastically improves Ukraine's ability to carry out precision strikes. According to Euromaidan Press, F-16s have already been used in airstrikes against Russian military positions in Kursk. Precision strikes with advanced weapons. Ukraine is deploying small-diameter bombs, SDBs, and joint direct attack munitions, JDAMs, to maximize the F-16's effectiveness. SDBs, guided by GPS, can strike fixed targets with pinpoint accuracy from 46 miles away. JDAM glide bombs extend that range to 50 miles, giving Ukraine even greater striking capability. With the US stockpiling over 24,000 SDBs and producing them at just $40,000 per unit, Ukraine is likely to receive additional supplies, further bolstering its offensive power. The challenge of Russian glide bombs. Despite these advances, Ukraine still faces challenges, particularly against Russia's guided aerial bombs. "Our main focus right now is countering Russian glide bombs," the F-16 pilot admits. While Ukraine's pilots are not yet engaging Russian fighters in direct dogfights, they are utilizing electronic warfare to disrupt enemy operations. With more F-16s and advanced munitions on the way, Ukraine's ability to neutralize Russia's aerial threats will only improve. Could direct aerial combat between Ukrainian and Russian fighter jets be the next phase of this conflict? What's next? How will Ukraine's growing F-16 fleet shape the war? Can it push Russian forces back even further? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on global politics and defense strategies. Thanks for watching.